So what are different ways that we can promote ketogenesis? Number one, intermittent fasting or fasting in general. If I've fasted overnight, maybe 50% of my carbohydrate stores are depleted. Now, if I fast all the way till lunch, maybe the majority or 80, 90% of my liver's carb stores are going to be depleted, and my liver is going to start putting out ketones. 2, ketogenic dieting. 3 is depletion, right? So I can do interval training, for example. If I do sprints, if I run hills, if I walk fast, if I do cycling, I'm going to deplete carbohydrates with high intensity training very fast, my liver, my muscles, and that's going to promote ketogenesis. Okay, so like for example, someone when they've run a marathon, their ketones start to rise. Circuit training. Anytime you're moving vigorously in the weight room, that's going to deplete carbohydrates. So these are all ways that promote ketogenesis. George Cahill, a long time ago, he did a study on fasting. And what George Cahill found is that people who fasted, he took medical students and he fasted them, their blood ketone levels went up to 4, 5, even 6. So in other words, fasting raises blood ketone levels double, triple, quadruple the amount that a normal ketogenic diet does. So what that basically means is the ultimate way to promote ketogenesis is going to be a fasting type of diet. So ketogenic diet is going to be great, but fasting, it probably promotes the highest amount of ketogenesis. And when that occurs, your brain, 70% or more of its fuel is from actually ketones.